Hi, welcome to our course Ajax Development. I'm Mark Lassoff. I guess the best place to start is to define what Ajax is, because there's a lot of misunderstanding around the concept of Ajax. First off, Ajax stands for Asynchronous JavaScript and XML. Now, it's not a new programming language. A lot of people think that it is. It's actually a special way to use JavaScript and XML together to produce some really impressive results. It was first implemented back in 2005. And what it does is it allows the web page to talk with the server behind the scenes. It can send information to the server and receive information from the server and process that information right on the page without a page refresh. The page refresh can be really annoying to the user and also time-consuming. So with fewer page refreshes, Ajaxified pages are more fluid and elegant. They give a better experience to the user on the page. Now, if you're taking this class, you should already be familiar with some basic JavaScript concepts. You should understand everything from loops to conditionals and arrays and basic object creation. If you need to, take a JavaScript refresher before this class to make sure you get the most out of this Ajax class. There are lots of websites out there that have incorporated Ajax into their structure. This is kayak.com. If I click the Details button, a new logical division or div is revealed dynamically with information that was retrieved from the server. If I click the Details button again, it disappears. That's a very simple Ajax interaction. Notice over on the left side of the screen there are all sorts of criteria and sorts. For example, this flight leaves from LGA, which is New York LaGuardia. Let's say I didn't want flights that left from LaGuardia. I'm going to remove the check mark here to filter the results. You notice there was a little sign that's saying it was applying the filter, and then the choices have been resorted, and we're now seeing flights that are out of Newark and presumably also out of JFK, John F. Kennedy Airport. Now, this flight leaves at noon, but let's say I wanted to filter it again and say I don't want to take off before 2 p.m. So this will result in, again, the results being filtered, and now I'm seeing flights that leave after 2 p.m. or 2 in the afternoon. There's multiple ways to sort here, and all of these sorts use Ajax techniques to avoid the page being refreshed and also to talk to the server behind the scenes. Kayak is a great example of Ajax. Another simple Ajax example is this sorted table. For example, here I can click on the heading fields, and the table will resort according to the information in those particular fields. I could also move rows up and down using these controls at the bottom. So that's yet another example of an Ajaxified website. Google Maps is another website that makes heavy use of Ajax. I can move the map around and we get more data on the map without actually having to refresh the entire page. And this is because as I move, new map tiles are being retrieved from the server in the background. I can also change the way the map looks by using drag and drop on the map, which is another way that Ajax is often used. By the way, the building you see right here, that's our office. That's exactly where I'm recording this course from. All right, so we've taken a look at a couple of different Ajaxified websites. We've taken a look at the meaning of Ajax, so now let's dive in and start writing actual Ajax code. I'm Mark Lassoff for LearnToProgram.tv, and I really hope you enjoy the course.